What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking identify errors in the following code. Here we have a VHDL code. Now we are going to find out the error. Now the first thing is it says entity for toll marks port, but there's something missing. That is in between this there should be an is right here, and that is the first error. And also logic vectors, there shouldn't be an s right here. This shouldn't be plural, not plural. And the next thing is we have 3 down to 0, x out vector 3 down to 0, and we have to close this one. We have to close this one with another curly bracket. And after that, architecture of 4 to 1 underscore marks. 4 to 1 underscore marks, and there should be a semicolon right here. And architecture, actually not here. After end we should have this 4 to marks, 4 to underscore marks semicolon, and after that architecture of 4 to 1 marks is, so there are two things missing. One is here we should have a behavioral of 4 to 1 marks is begin, and after that P1 process begin if bracket select 0 0, then close bracket, and this one should be double quote right here. And after that XA, and else if select is equal to 1 0, this one is okay. Then else if select 1 1, we have to have a then after this, and also this one should be in a bracket, then, and here also then. Else x gets input from D, and end if end process P1 and behavior end process P1 and end 4 to 1 max and max. That's it. That's how we do that. These are the mistakes, these are the errors in this code. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn digital logic design too, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch it too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.